The United States Army is always looking for ways to improve its capabilities. One of the most important tools for any soldier is their rifle. The Army has been using the M4 carbine for many years, but it is time for an upgrade. The XM7 is the Army's newest rifle, and it is a major step forward in technology. The XM7 is lighter and more accurate than the M4. It is also more adaptable to different combat situations. The rifle can be fitted with a variety of optics and accessories, making it a versatile weapon for soldiers. The XM7 is still in the testing phase, but it is expected to be fielded to soldiers in the near future. The XM7 represents a new generation of small arms technology. It is a powerful symbol of the Army's commitment to providing its soldiers with the best possible equipment. The XM7 is sure to have a major impact on the battlefield of the future. The XM7 is not just a new rifle, it's a game changer. Its advanced capabilities are already influencing how the Army thinks about fighting wars. The XM7's improved accuracy at longer ranges means soldiers can engage the enemy from a safer distance. This is crucial in modern combat, where engagements often occur in open terrain. The XM7's lighter weight allows soldiers to carry more ammunition and equipment without being weighed down. This increased mobility is essential for the fast-paced nature of modern warfare. Commanders are exploring new tactics and formations that leverage the strengths of the XM7. The way soldiers train is also evolving to match the XM7's capabilities. Marksmanship standards are being raised to reflect the rifle's increased accuracy potential. Soldiers are being trained to take advantage of the XM7's versatility, practicing with different optics and attachments for a variety of combat scenarios. The XM7 has generated significant buzz within the ranks of the U.S. Army. Soldiers who have trained with the rifle are impressed by its performance and ergonomics. The XM7 feels great in your hands, says Sergeant First Class Mark Jenkins, a squad leader with the 1st Infantry Division. It's well balanced and the recoil is very manageable. Soldiers appreciate the XM7's increased accuracy. I feel much more confident taking shots at longer ranges with the XM7, says Specialist Maria Rodriguez, a designated marksman. The improved optics are a game changer. However, some soldiers express reservations about transitioning to a new weapon system. We've been using the M4 for so long it's become second nature, says Staff Sergeant John Lee, a platoon sergeant. There's always a learning curve with new equipment. Like any piece of military technology, the XM7 is not without its drawbacks. One concern is the cost. Equipping an entire army with a new rifle is a significant financial investment. There are also concerns about the rifle's reliability in extreme environmental conditions. The XM7 is still undergoing rigorous testing in various climates to ensure its durability. Another consideration is the potential for adversaries to acquire and reverse engineer the XM7's technology. This could lead to a proliferation of advanced weapons and erode the technological advantage the XM7 provides to U.S. forces. Despite these challenges, the U.S. Army remains committed to fielding the XM7. The benefits of a lighter, more accurate, and more adaptable rifle are seen as outweighing the risks. The XM7 is a powerful symbol of the Army's commitment to maintaining its technological edge on the battlefield. Section 5. The Future of Warfare. What lies ahead? The XM7 is just one example of how technology is rapidly changing the face of warfare. Artificial intelligence, drones, and cyber warfare are all playing increasingly important roles in modern conflicts. The battlefield of the future will be more complex and unpredictable than ever before. The XM7 will need to adapt to keep pace with these changes. Future iterations of the rifle may incorporate advanced features such as network targeting systems and augmented reality displays. The line between human and machine on the battlefield will continue to blur. The XM7 is a powerful reminder that the future of warfare is being shaped right now. The decisions made today about the development and deployment of new technologies will have a profound impact on the conflicts of tomorrow. The XM7 is not just a rifle, it's a glimpse into the future of warfare. Section 6. Beyond the battlefield, the XM7's wider impact. The XM7's influence extends beyond the battlefield. Its development has spurred advancements in materials science, manufacturing techniques, and small arms design. These innovations have the potential to benefit civilian industries as well. For example, the lightweight materials used in the XM7's construction could lead to the development of more fuel-efficient vehicles. The rifle's advanced ergonomics could inspire the design of more comfortable and user-friendly tools. The XM7's impact on military doctrine and training also has implications for civilian law enforcement and security agencies. The lessons learned from training soldiers to use the XM7's advanced capabilities can be applied to enhance the skills of police officers and security personnel. Section 7. Ethical considerations in an XM7 world. The XM7's advanced capabilities raise important ethical questions about the nature of warfare. The rifle's increased accuracy and lethality have the potential to make conflicts more decisive but also more deadly. The use of artificial intelligence and autonomous systems in conjunction with the XM7 raises concerns about the potential for unintended consequences and the erosion of human control over the use of force. It is crucial to establish clear ethical guidelines and regulations for the development and use of advanced military technologies like the XM7. Open dialogue and collaboration between policymakers, military leaders, ethicists, and the public are essential to ensure that these technologies are used responsibly and ethically. Section 8. Preparing for the future. Training and adaptation. The XM7's arrival underscores the importance of continuous training and adaptation in the military. Soldiers must be prepared to operate in an environment of constant technological change. Training programs must evolve to keep pace with the capabilities of new weapon systems like the XM7. Soldiers will need to be proficient in using advanced optics, sensors, and communications equipment. The XM7's introduction provides an opportunity to reassess and update military doctrine and tactics. Commanders must develop new strategies that leverage the rifle's strengths while mitigating its weaknesses. Section 9. Conclusion. The XM7 and the ever-evolving face of war. The XM7 is more than just a new rifle. It's a symbol of the ever-evolving nature of warfare. As technology continues to advance at an unprecedented pace, the battlefield of the future will be shaped by innovation and adaptation. The XM7's introduction presents both challenges and opportunities. It's a powerful tool that has the potential to enhance the effectiveness of U.S. forces, but also raises important ethical questions about the future of warfare. By embracing innovation, fostering ethical debate, and adapting training and doctrine, the U.S. military can harness the power of technologies like the XM7 to meet the challenges of an uncertain future. The XM7 is a reminder that the future of warfare is not preordained. It's shaped by the choices made today.